Imagine your teacher asks, how many students like mangoes versus oranges? Writing a long list is boring. Today we learn how pictures and bars make data come alive. Data representation means showing information visually. Instead of numbers in a table, we use pictograms, which are pictures, or bar charts, which are rectangles. Both make data easy to read. A pictogram uses symbols to represent quantities. Look at the key. 1 mango stands for 2 students. Form 1, A has 4 mangoes, so 8 students. Always read the key first. A bar chart uses rectangles. The taller the bar, the bigger the number. Bars must have equal width and equal gaps. The y-axis shows frequency, the x-axis shows categories. Worked example 1. 20 students chose their favorite sport. Football got 10 votes. Using a key of 1 ball equals 2 students, we draw 5 footballs for football. Basketball has 4 students, so 2 balls. Athletics has 6, so 3 balls. Add them up, 10 plus 4 plus 6 equals 20. Our pictogram matches the data perfectly. Worked example 2. We recorded rainy hours from Monday to Friday. Let's draw a bar chart. First, label the axes. Days on the x-axis, hours on the y-axis. Now draw each bar to the correct height. Notice all bars have the same width and equal spacing. Friday is tallest with 6 hours, the rainiest day of the week. Common mistake. Many students draw bars of different widths or with no gaps. Always keep widths equal and leave gaps between bars, otherwise it becomes a histogram, not a bar chart. Remember the 3 magic words: key, width, gap. Pictograms need a key E. Bar charts need equal width and equal gaps. Say it 3 times and you will never forget, and equal gaps. Say it 3 times and you will never forget. Great job today! Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons that make learning simple and fun. Visit ovasaabi.com to find more videos. See you next time.